All right, what's up, guys? Got a quick update here on the crypto market again for the community members, and I'm also uploading this on YouTube. So in this video, I'm going to take a look at Bitcoin and update you on the altcoin positions that we currently have open. So basically, it's an update from the previous video. So Bitcoin is following the lines almost perfect right here. Came down and retested that 4-hour level. Let's look at the daily. What are we seeing on the daily? Let's activate the slingshot indicator. Yeah, so what we have right here is a perfect rounded bottom on the 20 EMA here on the daily. And it's a really, really good looking break of structure here on the 4 hours as well, with that, rounded bottom, downtrend, higher low, higher high, and now we're creating high low again. So yeah, it's looking very, very good. And the setup that we have activated in the RLZ trading room, we should be about 80% filled on this Bitcoin position. As you can see right here, the target for this one is about 100k. Well, to be excited, it's 99,000. No, 99,000. Did I say? Yeah, it is 99,000. 99,874. Holy shit, crazy. Anyway, so that's Bitcoin, and a quick update on the altcoin positions. Nothing has really changed here. We ADA in profit. You see the same market structure in the weekly. Nothing has changed. Well in profit on algo here after that nice wick, and sand still looking very, very good. Had a weekly bullish pin bar. It's every setup here, like we're in profits on every single setup, and these are some really, really good setups right here. If these can start running, and we are in an incredibly good position for the altcoin market. Now again, did not get filled on Atom, AXS, and DOT, but that's basically what I'm looking at in the crypto market right now. I'm just got my positions filled here in the altcoin market. I'm just chilling, just not doing much, just letting the market do its thing, and just making money by doing nothing, and that's the beauty of trading. You get into some good positions here on the higher time frames, and then you just wait. You just patiently wait, because all your mistakes is done between the time of entering the trade and exiting the trade, and now it's just a waiting game. We have good positions. Now it's just time to wait, and hopefully this bull market continues, and we're going to get some really, really good gains out of this one. A quick update on a forex pair that I'm watching. This is basically the only forex pair that I'm watching right now. It's AUD USD. You can see here on the 4-hour that we're retesting this level right here, and also retesting the reload zone of this latest down move right here. Looking at the 1 hour, we still have quite strong momentum into this area right here. But imagine that this 1 hour candle is closing in 23 minutes. Imagine if that's going to close perhaps down here. Then we have a pretty decent setup where we might want to go short here with stops above that level, the 50 EMA in 1 hour, and then TP perhaps at the monthly open. Now this is only a 1.37R, so I might want to go into the lower time frames and see perhaps, so maybe even on the 5-minute, and look at a break of structure of this trend right here. So maybe something like this, we can perhaps get in on that move with an entry around this area, where we could perhaps get a 2R trade on AUD/USD. All right, guys, that's just a quick update. Hope you guys are having a great, what day is it? Thursday. I was about to say happy Friday, but it's not Friday, so let's not do that. Take care, guys. I will see you guys tomorrow in the next update.